Hello, so today is day 16 and I'm trying to finish off the smutathon with this book. I'm about 100 pages in this book, but honestly, it's not grabbing me. I'm like reading it and there's some part where it's interested and I'm like, okay, we're getting somewhere, and then it's like, okay, what's next? It's action packed. I'm still gonna finish it. I'm not gonna DNF it. I'm gonna finish it. I'm hoping that it gets better, but you know, being 100 page in and I'm not that thrilled. Yeah. So then I'm thinking about authors that I have on my Kindle. Some I don't. Some I wish I did. And how come I never read the books all year, and probably won't, but definitely next year. It's like there's like the Reluctant Royals from Alyssa Cole, and read any of them. There's like the Prisoner Theory, I think other people talk about, and the other one I forgot what's the name of the other one. Something Duke. But nope. And then I know I would enjoy some Geneva Holiday, and nope, I haven't read any of those. And there's like a few on my Kindle that I have downloaded and just never read it yet. So let me see if I can go to my book library, pull it up, see what else I have on here that I should be reading I haven't read yet. There's Rough Edges, the series by C.D. Reese. There's Zala Turner. Now, I've read quite a few of her books and I've reviewed it on this channel multiple times. And I have like an entire series on here. And still haven't read not one of the book in the series. It's like a 5-book series and I haven't read any of them yet. Legion of the Guardians, I haven't read any of them. I think it's like a biker club kind of book, but I just love her stories anyway. I feel like she can be there with her stories and I will enjoy it. Who else I have? I love me some Penelope Douglas, and I have Bullied. I think it's, where is it? It's somewhere in here. I have so many books in here. I'm probably not going to get to all of them. Who else I have on here that I'm on Kindle? I have Love Notes, and this one is by Christina Jones. Now, I started this one, and for some reason I stopped. Not because I didn't like it, because it's kind of like my kind. It gave me that Love Jones feel to it, but for whatever reason, I didn't finish it. But I'm gonna pick it back up. This one, I cannot see the author's name because you know how it has that new sign that's blocking it. But this one is called Adore You, and Nicole, I can't see the last name. So, yeah, I'm going to just put the picture up. That one I haven't read yet. The Mitchel Sisters. This is another box set, which is like 3 books in a series. And this is still sitting on my Kindle that I haven't read yet. And that's it as far as romance. Not a lot of romance because I tend to read romance a lot on my Kindle, and a lot of it is because of the covers. Look, some of these covers are just a little bit too sexy, and I'm not with the question asking or the side eye look I get. So I like reading them on my Kindle when I'm in public, and that's how I feel about it. So, but I tend to read them most of the time. Like if I download them, I read them. I don't have the ones that it's not that many. If I compare to how much I have on here that I have read, you see that it's not that many. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue reading this book and pray that it gets better. And that's it. And this rain sucks. It kind of messed up my whole idea of my blog posts. I had a new Confession Chronicles, and I'm gonna have to postpone it because I wasn't able to get any pictures done yesterday because the weather was, it was too gloomy, and it just wasn't. And then today's just raining, so hopefully tomorrow is sunny and I can get some pictures. So it might be a little delayed, but yeah, I have another nice Confession Chronicles if you ever read any of those on my blog. So yeah, that is today, guys. Today is one of those chill days. Nothing exciting, nothing new. Yeah, it's another day.